Hi, welcome to Odd Jobs. Today we are putting up railing for our Ikea cabinets. We're going to start with the lower cabinets first off. When you open up the rail, you're going to orient it this way. The bottom is the thick part. The top is here. And so this will be a 34.5. So I'm going to put a screw about 1/2 inch lower than that line on a stud or two. You have to hit the stud though. You have to hit something. It's over here. That took a while. I'm hoping these screws are long enough. We'll find out here in a hurry. And they supply you with these, well, I don't even know what to call these things. They're shaped like a little keyhole. They're going to slide over the screw. But because they're on an angle, it's going to allow you to adjust up or down the height of the rail. So I'm going to set it over here on the first one I put in. And I'm going to orient it. I think I'm going to orient it this way so that when I slide it up like that, it's at the right height. And I'm going to tighten that one in. Put the level on it. And we mark it wherever it goes. Slide that up. And we're going to tighten it in. When you're happy with the level, you can go in and put in a whole bunch more of those. So now you've got your rail up, it's level, it's at the right height, and you've got enough screws in there to keep it all together. It's plumb, it's level. Excellent, good work. And that's simply the easiest way to put up these rails. Simple. No special tools, no special training. Just take your time, make it level, make it straight, and everything's good. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bookmark the Easy IKEA playlist. Thanks for watching Odd Jobs.